Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine how much free space you have available on your Macintosh computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by just navigating to the desktop and then select the Apple icon at the top left corner of your desktop screen, and then go ahead and select About This Mac. Select the storage tab, and then it should say how much is available out of a certain amount, which is your total hard drive space. And if you hover over versus calculating, it may change slowly, but you can see right off the bat it says about 19 gigabytes are currently being used in our case. And if you wanted to clean up some disk space, you can select the manage button right over here, and that will launch a new page that will give you options such as cleaning out your recycling bin or trash can, I should say, and as well as cleaning or reviewing files that may no longer be necessary on your Mac device. So it'll give you like basically different disk cleanup options basically. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up here just so you guys can visually see what I'm referring to. Here you go, guys. So you can see you have options such as storing different files in the cloud or the iCloud, and you can also optimize storage by removing movies and TV shows you may have already watched, emptying the trash can automatically, which you can see we can turn on. So after 30 days, if you wanted to just clear out whatever's in there, you can. And you can also review files or clutter that may no longer be needed. So if you select the Review Files button, you can see there aren't too many in here. It's only about 4 kilobytes, so it's a very small amount. I don't even actually see any coming up in this list here. Maybe if we waited a little while, we'd see something, but other than that, it really doesn't look like there's anything for us to delete in here. But pretty straightforward, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.